right, this is going to be on lesson 18.3, which is special products of binomials. So I'm going to do something similar to the last video. I'm taking 3x plus 2, and basically I'm using the same expression here over and over. 3x plus 2, then 3x minus 2, then 3x plus 2 times 3x minus 2. All right, so when you see 3x plus 2 squared, a lot of you are going to want to say 3x squared is 3 times 3 is 9, and x times x is x squared. And then you've got 2 squared is 4. But when you see a special product like this, you have to rewrite it to actually see what's being done here. 3x plus 2, and then I'm multiplying it by itself. That's what the exponent says. So this is a lot more than what we did just looking at this. Remember, FOIL is one strategy you can use. First times the first, the outer, then the inner terms, and then the last two terms. So 3x times 3x gives you that 9x squared still. But you also have 3x times positive 2, which is plus 6x. Then we have 2 times 3x, which is also plus 6x. And 2 times 2, which gives you 4. So these match what you originally would have thought, but you also have this other term in the middle. Now 6x and 6x I can add together, and I get my final answer of 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. Oh, another thing I see a lot of people do is they take 6x and 6x and they want to multiply them and get 12x squared. Don't do this. Like, when you're done, this is all addition here. So you're just combining them by adding them together. Okay. Now, we're going to do the same thing, but this is a negative here. So I'm going to have a positive first term, a negative middle term, and then a positive last term every single time. So 3x minus 2 times 3x minus 2, because I'm taking this and multiplying it by itself again. 3x times 3x still gives me 9x squared. But now I've got 3x times negative 2. 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. Then negative 2 times 3x is negative 6x. And then the last one is negative 2 times negative 2. So negative times a negative is a positive 4. See, the outside terms are exactly the same, but now these are negative. So I get 9x squared minus 12x plus 4. All right, and now I'm going to take 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2. I'm going to get the same first term, and then I'm going to get two terms in the middle that cancel out, and then positive 2 times a negative 2 is going to give me a negative last term. Okay, so 3x times 3x is still 9x squared. Then we have 3x times negative 2, which gives you negative 6x. 2 times 3x is positive 6x. And 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So negative 6x and a positive 6x are going to cancel out. So what we have left is just the 9x squared minus 4. All right. So that's the difference between those three types.